for your public policy assignment, you need to insert pictures and links to articles. So a way to edit that is what I'm trying to show you. Forgive me if it's a little long-winded. I'm just doing this on the fly real quick here. So I've opened up an infographic template. I'm going to remove that particular icon. I am going to go to Uploads, upload an image or a video. I took a screenshot of a picture, and it's loading, adding to my account right now. So once that bar goes by or fills up, you can just double click it and it puts the picture in there. So I think I put it in there twice actually. Let me undo and delete. Yeah, I did. So I'm going to move that up here where that original one was. I'm going to shrink it down a little bit to resize. And over here I have the text. I'm going to shrink that down as well. And right now, this is two types of text boxes that are grouped together. So when you click on it, if you look up here at the top on this editing bar, if you see ungroup, that means that you've got more than one item there. So I'm going to click ungroup, click off of it, and then back on here, I'm going to Command A to select all of the text, and I'm going to type in domestic policy, because that's what this particular image and link is going to deal with. And down here, I'm going to Command A again to select all of that text. The article that I selected is from Newsella, and it's Why Everything is Closing for Coronavirus. It's called Flattening the Curve. So I am going to go back to the infographic. I'm going to type in Flattening the Curve. And then I'm going to select that text, and then also in this bar at the top, if you look on the right, I just hovered over it. You got two little chain links together. That's your hyperlink tool. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to paste my link and click apply. And you notice there's a line that emerged now. So I'm going to click off of that. Pretend I finished the whole thing. I'm going to download as a PDF. It does not matter which PDF you choose. Alright, so I picked one that was a pay option. I wasn't paying attention to that. I obviously don't want to pay for this, so I'm going to download a free watermark draft instead. If you don't want to download one with a watermark, then just make sure that you select an item that's free next time. And the way that you can check that is when you're over here, if it's got a little crown on it or little dollar sign, it's going to be a paid one. So if you hover over and you get free in the bottom corner, you know it's a free option. So it looks the same for the templates when you're picking the templates. So I'm going to open up this PDF real quick. I'm going to hover over my link, click on it, and it is opening my article that I linked to. So that's all you will have to do if you'd like to use Canva for your public policy assignment. Email me if you have any further questions, and I hope that helped.